Good morning, everyone. So we have finally made it to Kerala. We got here a few days ago. We were in Kochi with a few friends. I didn't do any filming. And now we've come to a place called Munnar. Pretty high in the mountains, that's why you can see I got a coat. It's a lot cooler here. It gets to around 10 degrees Celsius at night, so a big difference from where we were in Kochi and Goa before. We had been in warm weather for ages, so yeah, it's actually quite nice to be in cool weather once again. So right now I'm on the rooftop, just show you how it is quickly. So yeah, you're gonna see it's gonna be very green today. Everything around here is green. Over there you can see the tea fields, which is what Munnar is popular for. And then behind us, just a few other hotels. So the plan for today is we're gonna get a rickshaw. You can get a rickshaw to take you on a bit of a tour. There's quite a few things to see here, different tea fields and stuff. So yeah, the hotel that we're at said they could book that for us. I'm not sure how much it is, I'll let you know. And then we'll be heading out and exploring. We can get out? Okay. So we got the rickshaw. It's gonna be 800 rupees for 2 people, and the tour's gonna be around 4 hours, so quite a long time. And he's gonna be stopping at loads of different places, I think like 7 or 8 places. Right now is the first stop, so we're just above the tea fields now, some nice views. So pretty much everything here is just tea plantations. You can see back there as well. Kind of misty at the moment, so visibility is not so great, but yeah, still some pretty amazing views either way. Hey Carol, have you ever been to a tea plantation before?
No, not tea, no. We've been to Sapa, but other kinds of plantations.
I think that was rice.
Rice and some other things, I think, but
yeah.
Not tea.
This is the tea leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4 leaf and plucking. This one plant life 100 years.
100 years?
100 years.
Oh wow.
Now 60, 70 years old.
So all of those are 100 years?
Yes. 100 kilometers surrounding tea plantation.
Yet again, another stop. Very different to the tea fields now. We're in kind of like like a woods kind of area, forest. So here you just got hundreds and hundreds of these trees. It has actually started raining a bit, so yeah, hopefully it doesn't get much worse. The forecast did say thunderstorms, so yeah, we've been pretty lucky so far at least.
We use newspaper.
Oh, used for newspaper?
Newspaper and plywood.
And plywood? Oh, okay.
20, 25 years old. 20, 25 years old.
25 years old?
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of tea is this?
Same leaf, processing different.
Oh, okay.
This is a white tea.
White tea.
Yeah, this white tea, black tea, green tea. Same leaf, processing different.
So he's now dropped us off at this dam here. Not sure what this lake's called. You can see how high up we are now. We're getting towards the clouds in the mountains. So this is more of a tour to just stop at spots, take a few photos quickly and film. Over the next few days we're planning to do some proper hiking, which we enjoy more. But yeah, it's a nice introduction anyway to this place, and the guy tells us a few bits of information. For example, I didn't know that it's the same tea leaf, the same plant that makes green tea, black tea, white tea. I thought that would have been different plants, but apparently it's the same plant and they just process it different. So yeah, I never knew that before. That was interesting.
Rainy.
Are you feeling the cold now?
Yeah.
How high did he say we were?
2,000.
2,000 meters.
Yeah.
He said to come in the morning, then it's
The
dry.
weather should be better.
Yeah. So the part we're at now is an organic farm, he said. So you can see very, very cloudy indeed right now. Cloudy and cold. I think we've got just one more stop now, the main part that we wanted to visit. It is raining right now. Need to be quick. So we've arrived at the main part called Top Hill Station, which he said is actually in a different state, Tamil Nadu. So apparently we're not even in Kerala right now. But look at this, so he showed us a photo, this would be an epic mountainous view, and right now we're just in the clouds, so yeah, I can't see anything at all. We got to see some pretty cool tea fields on the way up though. But yeah, this part is fail. Should have come here in the morning. We didn't know it was clear in the morning, so yeah, we should have asked someone yesterday when we arrived. The tea plants. We came at the right time, Carol.
Not really.
Even so though, for that price, it's still been worth it.
Saw so many beautiful places.
I think he stopped about 15 times.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's worth it. Definitely, yeah.
Also, if you come in the morning or the afternoon, you can see wild elephants walking around, so that would have been amazing as well. So yeah, we definitely didn't get the best of this tour because of the time that we chose, but even so, yeah, everything's just been beautiful pretty much. I think I could do with a cup of tea now.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, this is tea drinking weather. Nice and cold. Tea? Yeah? What's that?
This ordinary tea.
That's what tea?
Plain tea.
Plain tea.
This is masala. No, masala.
Masala tea, alaka tea, cardamom tea.
This is masala. Masala, cardamom tea.
I'll have cardamom.
Yeah, yes.
Cardamom tea.
And masala.
For masala or cardamom.
How much is it?
Yeah, Total 30 rupees.
30 rupees. Okay. So here's the much needed cardamom tea. And Carol's masala chai. Cheers, mate. So my first time drinking cardamom tea. Really tasty. Never had it before. Can you show what the valley looks like?
This is morning time.
That's morning. Okay, so this is what it would usually look like if you come in the morning. Yeah, morning time. And now it's like this. So we're back in Munnar now, just come to this local restaurant. So this is southern Indian food, it's called masala dosa. Carol loves it. So this is made of rice, this bread looking thing, and then inside you have all sorts of different vegetables, potato, not even sure what else. And you just take it off and dip it in one of these sauces, like Carol's showing now. It's spicy, that one, right? Yeah. All of them are spicy. So we got 3 different sauces. No idea what each of these are, but all very tasty. Alright, I'm gonna close the video out now. I thought I'd just show you quickly our hotel room before, I close out the video. So this place is called Greenview Holiday Inn, and it was only $11 on Airbnb, so yeah, pretty good price. Probably one of the nicer rooms that we stayed in. Carol's extra comfy right now. Since it is cold here, we get these comfy bed sheets, so that's good. And then over here in the bathroom, nothing special, but we get much needed hot water, so that's awesome. Not much more to show you. The internet's pretty good. Got a TV as well that we haven't used. We are about a 20-minute walk from the center of Munnar though, so I think that's why it was cheaper here, but we don't really need to be in the center of Munnar anyway. And we're going to be here for another 2 days, so we're hoping to do some actual trekking over the next 2 days, depending on the weather. I'm really excited for that, so yeah, I really hope the weather doesn't ruin it, because right now it's pouring it down. So yeah, we'll have to see how that goes. So if we're able to trek and explore, there will be more videos. Fingers crossed for that. And as always, just thanks for watching. Drop a like on the video to help support us. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.